everyone, my name is Estella and I'm a sophomore this year at Johns Hopkins University. One of the favorite things that I do here on campus is called the Tutorial Project through the Center for Social Concern. The way it works is we match each of our tutors with one amazing elementary student from the Baltimore public schools, and we tutor them both in math and reading. As well as kids, I love the people in the program, so let's head inside and see what they have to say.
My name is Yenny. I'm the Tuesday-Thursday student director, so I oversee how the bus gets to and from our program. I get to oversee how organizers oversee their tutors, and I also get to coordinate our events that we're doing, as well as how to make sure we can optimize our program. We tutor kids from 2nd through 6th grade in English and math, and we collaborate with different schools in the Baltimore area, and we have kids come to our campus here in the tutorial building, which is in Levering Hall, and we bring them in and personally match them to a Hopkins undergrad. And being able to see kids go from reading 2 words in a minute to going to read 20 words in a minute fills me with so much happiness and so much gratitude. I had an incredible bond with my kid, and you get to have someone that you get to talk to, be a mentor for the first time, really get to see someone flourish, and it's just an amazing program. I've met my best friends here, I've met great people here, and I've come into myself here. I think I went from an unsure person to someone who's a lot more confident in myself, and I think that the Tutorial Project is a great way in order to help others and help yourself.
My name is Will Tom. I'm a junior. I've been in tutorial for 2 semesters. This is my 2nd. I did 1 as a tutor, and now I'm an organizer. We have tutors with their tutees, so it's 1-to-1 for every kid and every tutor. And organizers have about 6 or 7 of those in their group, so I'm like a manager of those pairs. We contact parents, kids, teachers, and hearing all of it from them, really fulfilling, really rewarding. As a tutor, it's different every day. Whether it's your mood that day or especially your kid's mood that day. You could have the greatest kid, super nice, and there's an off day they're having, whether it's school or at home. And if you do well with it and you really know your kid, and that's kind of the beauty of the relationship, you can get past that and still get stuff done. My kid loves lightsabers and frequently brings them to playtime. So if you see a kid out there in front of Levering running with a little red lightsaber, that's my boy.
My name is Bea, and I'm a tutor. I think definitely it can feel like you're entering your stretch zone, so you're stepping out of your comfort zone and you're kind of just challenging yourself mentally, physically, and I think that's really important to know when you're in that zone. You're never going to grow and learn when you're constantly in your comfort zone, and I think tutorial is a place where you're in your classes in college, but it's kind of an escape for you as well, because you get this new energy and you get a totally new perspective on learning and what education is like. She is actually the most funny kid I have ever been in a room with. I think we have the same energy and just the same excitement for everything in life, and it's really fulfilling being a part of her learning journey.
So my name is Eddie Zhang. I'm student director of Monday Wednesday. A lot of people may think that tutorial, you hear tutorial and you hear tutoring, it's strictly an academic thing, but there really is another side where you do get to bond with a child. It's especially nice if you continue the program and they continue the program. I know tutors who have known their kid for all 4 years, and you basically grow up with a kid from a Baltimore City public school. It's amazing. You sit down with them, have snack, and then get to talk to them about their days and what they like to do. I initially came into college not really knowing what I wanted to do in terms of medicine. I knew I wanted to do med, but not exactly sure which specialty, and I think tutorial has helped me decide on pediatrics.